Hello and welcome to the section 1 of the course, getting started with Termux. Now let's start the first video of section 1, Introduction to Termux. Now in this video, what we are going to learn? So in this video, we will learn what is Termux, why we are using Termux in this course, what is the exact goal, and then we will also learn how you can use it, how you can install it inside your machine or inside your mobile phone, so that we will cover it. Alright guys, so first of all, we will learn what is Termux. So you can simply search here Termux and you will get the links related to it. For example, first link you will get related to F-Droid, Termux, F-Droid, free and open source Android app. We also have some GitHub links. So let's open the GitHub link related to Termux. Here you can see that you can download the Termux app from here. So what is Termux? So Termux is a terminal emulator application for which operating system? It is for Android operating system and extendable by variety of packages. It means it contains various type of packages that you can use easily. You just need to download the APK from the website and you can simply install it inside your mobile phone and then you can easily use it. So Termux application is Android terminal application in Linux environment. So it is completely terminal based application. You have to write commands, you have to run it, and if you want to install any packages, you have to write the commands for installation. So note that the repository for app itself, for the package installation inside app, you can go inside packages. So terminal may be unstable on Android 12 Plus. So you can download the APK from here, right? And you can simply install it. Another option available is you can go inside the F-Droid. So let's open F-Droid. This is one of the best option to use Termux, and you can download the APK from here. If we scroll down, so you can see that F-Droid APK is available here, and inside that APK we can use Termux. Now, what is the use of Termux here? So as mentioned, that Termux combine powerful terminal emulation with various type of Linux packages. For example, the various bash and Z shells, edit files with nano and vim. It means the Linux commands will also work here. Access servers over SSH. Obviously, code compilation is also available. You can use Python console as pocket calculator and etc. Right? Now, how it looks like. So when you will install Termux inside your mobile phone, this will look similar like this. So you will get a terminal where you can write commands similar like this. You can also run a code. You can use nmap inside it to perform port scanning and various type of commands you can use inside it. So the versions are available here. Although APK downloads are available below to give you the choice, you should be aware that installing that way you will not receive update notification. It's less secure. We recommend you to install the F-Droid client and use that. So the basic thing is you can simply download F-Droid by clicking here. So you can see here that one APK's file is downloading, correct? Now when you have APK file inside your mobile, so you can simply run it and install it inside your machine, inside your mobile. Now the thing is, you can install it inside your mobile as well as in your PC. So if you have a laptop, if you want to run Termux on your laptop, that is also possible. Correct. Now there are various Android environments available for systems. For example, BlueStacks is available. Mumu Play is available that you can install inside your machine, and on that you can run any APK file, correct? So for mobile phones, just click download this in your mobile, click on that and install it inside your mobile, correct? Now for the systems, we have various options. For example, as I mentioned, you can download BlueStacks. I personally use it. So download BlueStack. So you can see here, we have a link here. You can download BlueStacks inside your system. So this is one option. So install it inside your machine. If you do not want to install this, then we have another option. For example, Moomoo Play you can install. So this is also another Android emulator for systems. So if you click on that, you can, free download is available here. So both are free. Use any one of them. My personal opinion is to use BlueStacks because I have seen better performance with BlueStacks. So it depends on your choice. Correct. So once you install BlueStacks inside your Windows operating system, inside that you can install various type of apps from Play Store, and because we already have a APK file, so we just need to import that APK file inside BlueStacks or Moomoo Play, and we can simply use it. If you don't have any PC, you can simply download this APK, run it inside your mobile, and use Termux like this screenshots. Right. So this is the basic introduction about Termux. In the next video, we will learn that how you can install the F-Droid and use Termux inside it.